This microphone's not on, by the way. It's not even mine. I'm just gonna put it there because it's still. I don't want to break it. And this is not even my space, but it holds a very big part of the story today. You see, 6 years ago was when I made my first vlog with my old Sony smartphone. And that was when I became Gilbert the camera guy. Since then, I never go anywhere without my camera, and I capture everything and anything whenever I'm out with my friends or on my own. And through time, my desire of wanting to have a creative community continues to grow. Different people coming together with their unique style and point of view, having the best time doing what they all enjoy. That just sounds like a lot of fun. But I've never even come close to experiencing any of that. This is where I introduce this guy, Christian LeBlanc. Long story short, this guy created the Lost Creator Academy, a global creative community where people can just find each other, get together in real life, and create anywhere around the world. Just anywhere except Taiwan. So I continue to do everything on my own, talking to a camera in public and just doing weird things. All these weird things that people just see me as this weirdo with a camera. Until a couple months ago, I saw a post from Christian in the community group.
Guys, it is finally time to show you our new home. Right here, you are looking at the Lost Creator Academy guest house. This is going to be our place of community, of learning. And the beautiful thing about it is it's right here in Bali. And yeah, November 1st will be the big day to celebrate. I would love to see you there.
In my mind, I thought this could be it. I could finally have the experience I always wanted. So after just a little bit of hesitation and kicking fear in the face, I booked a flight from Taiwan to Bali. And I leave in 48 hours. It is now 6:30. I will be leaving within like an hour and a half. And I'm still looking for a place to stay on my very first night. And I am not finished packing either. It's so chaotic, but I'm so excited. I really hope I remember everything. Uh-oh. Oh, and by the way, it's been raining every single day in Taiwan for the past 2 weeks. Time to say goodbye to it though. For some reason, I thought I could get through this whole thing by packing only 10 kilos. And just my backpack alone with all my camera equipment is 8. So now I have to pay for this huge amount of fee for them to take my luggage. See you later. So the luggage fee itself is 3,000 Taiwanese dollars, which is somewhere around 100 USD. But the trip just started, so best to not let this thing get to us and continue to adventure. It's so rainy you can't see a thing. We took a midnight flight, so right now it's, I don't know, somewhere around 6 a.m. in Singapore. We're the last one on the plane. Oh, there. Ah, you got the last one. Thank you very much. Say. All right, next stop, Bali. And welcome to Bali, Indonesia. Airport. We're still at the airport. We just went through customs, security check, vaccine check, and landing visa. We did the whole thing. There she is. Yep. You were busted. Yeah, I kind of thought that would happen. I think this is the most amount of checking to get into the country I've ever done. Right now, as we are gonna pass these gates, we'll be officially standing into Bali for the very first time. Let's go. A little heads up for Taiwanese travelers. If you're here to exchange money in the airport, they don't take Taiwanese money. Right now, I'm still looking for a scooter and maybe get a telephone card. Hello? Yes, where can I find you? Okay, now we're officially in Bali. Over here? So we moved into our villa, and right off the bat, the first thing we did was head straight for the shower. The whole goal of spending the night here is just to relax. Right after we got here, and within like the past 1 hour, we already trashed the place. But let me give you a quick tour. This is our wooden cabin villa, and welcome to the front door. It has a huge, beautiful bed right in the middle. And also here's the bathroom. Beautiful and cozy. It doesn't really keep the water inside of it. So that's pretty much it. Within minutes after we stepped foot outside of the villa, we were greeted with the most adorable welcome. We have a tour guide taking us to this rice field and enjoying a little Bali view. This is our tour guide. Say hi. Oh, where are you? Oh, there we are.
Yeah, I'm going to the world. Like, comment, and share.
Our group is getting bigger and bigger. This will be the first time this drone has ever seen the outside world. Oh, this way? Yeah. You got it? Suksama. How do you say it? Suksama.
Wow, good.
Suksama.
And I want to say good morning in Mandarin.
早安. Yeah. And then bahasa is salaman pagi. Pagi.
Yeah, selamat pagi.
Pagi. Oh, it's like GI. Pagi. Salaman pagi. Hi. People are very friendly in Bali. Woohoo! Whoa, traffic's crazy here. Hello? Is English okay? No, very small English. Can we eat?
Oh, you eat?
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, we wanted to try something local. I think this is as local as it gets. One more thing, we have no idea what's on the menu. What is that?
Chicken?
That is fried chicken. Not too spicy.
No spicy. Tomato?
So tomato, fried rice, nasi goreng, right?
Fried rice. Chicken?
Okay, chicken? Okay, let's try one. Yeah, we just ordered a mix of fried rice, chicken, and tomato sauce. It's very good. Can we have one more? Hi. Everybody's so friendly here. That's the most smile I've ever seen trying to talk to someone who doesn't speak the same language. Nasi goreng. We finished the whole thing. It's very good. Not only is that really good, 2 meals and 1 drink is 28,000 rupiah. It's $57 for Taiwan, 1.7 US dollars. It's crazy. We're back. I just finished dumping all of the footage I filmed today into the hard drive, emptying every single memory card I have, getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is not only a big day, tomorrow is the big day. See you tomorrow. So good morning, and we got breakfast in bed. One thing we also got is, they call this Bali coffee. Sweet black coffee. You guys do the motorcycle rental? Okay, so if I rent for a full week, it's cheaper, right?
Yes, cheap.
Okay. I will be there around 2 p.m.
Okay, thank you, brother. What's your name?
My name's Gilbert.
Nice name.
Thank you. How about you? What's your name?
My name is Ketut.
Ketut! Okay, I think that sounds great. I will see you at 2 o'clock. Last night we went for a little swim in the swimming pool. I was swimming along this pool with my head facing up, and then I look around and I saw this face. It was staring straight at me. I freaked out and I jumped out of the water. We're gonna find something to eat, and then we're gonna hop on the cab. We finally found a guy that would offer us a pretty decent price for a scooter. His name is Ketut. We're gonna meet him later. We walked through the entire aisle and we decided to come back for the same restaurant because we don't feel like going anywhere other than here. Ah, thank you. Egg fried rice, round 2. Hello. All right, straight into the bamboo forest to our villa, and next stop, Canggu. Say hi.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
See you. Hi. Ketut, I think our driver is lost. Can you speak Indonesian to him and maybe let him know where exactly your store is? Yeah, I think there's a communication problem. We're not at the right spot. It's already 2:40. The plan is actually to be at the Lost Creator House around 3 o'clock. I don't think we're gonna do that, but I'm gonna try and see if we can make it to 3:30 because the event starts at 4. I think now we're starting to really experience the main city traffic. In my original plan, at this time, I should already be at the house. But I guess that's the part of travel. Like whatever you plan, it's never gonna work the way you want it to. Just have to make the best of what we have now. Hello.
How are you?
Are you Ketut?
Yes, Ketut.
Oh, hi, nice to meet you.
Sorry, because...
Yeah. So this is Ketut. If you want to come to Bali and rent a bike, come see Ketut. I will place a location. Make sure you come see him.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Thank you, Ketut.
Yeah.
All right, next up, Lost Creator House. I would say the traffic jam in Bali really is a whole new experience. Oh, 是这个。
Where are you guys from?
Taiwan.
Okay, very cool.
Thank you very much. Is that room?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, this is it. We made it. It's 4:30. We are here. This is what this whole trip is all about. This is the Lost Creator House. Oh my god.
Guys, I want to say, every single one of you that are here right now, thank you so much, first of all, for making the time. The Lost Creator House is more than a hostel, a guest house, a hotel. I want it to be a home for you guys. And so, thank you so much for making the time to be here. And I want to say thank you to my team. Woo! Thank you so much. All right, everyone can go home now.
I don't think I can find the right words to express what I was feeling then. It is hard sometimes to be walking on this path all on your own and nobody else around you really truly understands what you're trying to do. And recently it's gotten even harder because it's starting to get a little sad. And it's not sad because I no longer enjoy doing all this. It's because continue doing it started to feel wrong. But being there, being in LCA, in the Lost Creator House, all those negative feelings just goes away. Meeting all these people who are just as passionate, if not more passionate than what you're trying to do. Meeting Christian in person, and also meeting Nicholas Crystal, one of the most talented storytellers I've ever met on YouTube. I am more sure that I don't want to lose this part of me. I want to continue to be Gilbert the camera guy, the one who captures every possible precious memory he can on his camera. And speaking of capturing precious memories, get ready, because this little chapter in Bali has only just begun, and it only gets better from here.
Next battle, I'm about to go, we doing better. Forever lose, setting on, we doing better. Hitting all the goals I can. Bigger, bolder, faster.